was sitting at my post-grad job, working 40 hours a week to pay regular bills, and then 40 hours a week on top of that at a bar for the 6th year. And I just wanted to be able to comfortably pay bills, and on top of that, you know, be able to travel and afford things, afford nice things, go out to dinner. So I wasn't necessarily struggling, but I wanted to be able to live free, which is definitely harder for post-grad college loans and bills and everything else. So I ended up saying, well, might as well give this a try. I wanted to quit bartending, and then after my first party, I ended up quitting my full-time job instead. I kept bartending for about 1.5 years, and I have been full-time with Pure Romance for about 3.5 years.
With $124,963, Miss Jen Kelly.
And money's not everything in the world. It's really not, you know, but when you can take the stressors off of everything else that's stressing you out, so you can concentrate on the ones you love and your family and, you know, your partner and your dogs and your cat and your life, and sit in your back porch and listen to the birds, that's happiness. And that's what I've created.